curious how easy it is to use our Perfect Finish epoxy resin? Well, I'm going to show you today. We're going to use our Thickwood liquid pigment paste with our Perfect Finish parts A and B stirred up, and we're adding a little bit of frosty iridescent glitter just for a little bit of sparkle. We're going to stir that up. We've got our 40-ounce tumbler ready to go. I have unscrewed the handle and put a little bit of electric tape over those brackets, and I'm just putting down a really quick even coat of that white resin. Next, I'm going in with several colors of alcohol ink, and these are amazing colors. I'm using a neon pink, a magenta, a pastel pink, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of red sparkly, a little bit of rose gold, and some purple metallic. And this is really gonna take this tumbler to the next level. I'm using a little bit of chameleon as well at the end there, and then we're going to go in with the rest of our resin and kind of drizzle it over top. This will help prevent fish eyes, and it will make sure that everything levels out nicely. I'm going to add some heat to it with my heat gun, and this is what will cause the resin to start moving. And this is where the magic happens, you guys. Take your tumbler off, move it up and down, add more heat if you need to, and then put it right back on your turner and let it finish curing. It will take about 24 hours to finish curing, but when it does, the end result is absolutely gorgeous. And you can do this with any colors, you guys. It's simply beautiful.